Hello everyone, welcome to the TechBoxer YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn about is required for Upsert feature in Omnistudio Load Data Mapper. The is required for Upsert option in Omnistudio ensures that a field must have a value when updating or inserting records. In the previous video, I have showed you how to use the Upsert key when you have checked the when you have selected the checkbox for the upset key option, it is going to perform insert or update DML operation using ID field and external ID field. But if you select the is required for upset option, it is going to perform update DML operation using record ID. It performs insert DML operation using external ID. If both upset key and is required for upset or checkboxes are selected, it is going to perform update DML operation using the record ID and using the ID and external ID. Okay. Now I will show you in the Salesforce environment. Here I will create a new load data mapper, create or update opportunity. Select the interface type as a load, input type JSON, output type as a subject. So here we are dealing with the account object. In the object configuration, in this drop down, search for the opportunity, select the opportunity. After the object configuration is done in the objects tab, now move to the fields section to do the field mapping. Here I have the sample JSON with me. Paste here in the input JSON section, okay, and also I will paste here in the preview tab also. Now I will do the field mapping. For this account ID, I will map this with account ID. Close date, close date, external ID, external ID. Uh, we are for now we will do the record insertion using external ID. Okay, now I don't do with the ID field, or else what I will do, I will do the field mapping, but I will disable this. Okay, select the is disable checkbox. Okay, to disable the field mapping. Okay, I will do the field mapping for the other fields, the remaining fields, name and is required name and stage name. Field mapping is done. Now here for this external ID, I want to, I will select this checkbox. Okay, if you see, I am not able to select this is required for upset checkbox. Okay, sometimes it will happen. At the time, what you have to do is that click on this plus icon. Now check, are you able to check this checkbox or not? Okay, if this is working means do the field mapping for the external ID. Okay, then this is the latest field mapping configuration for the external ID. Right? Now remove the previous field mapping for the external ID. Okay, so now the field mapping is done for the external ID. Right, now I will move to the preview tab. Here I will give, this is an external ID field, that custom field that I have created in the opportunity object. Now for this one, I will give the value as 563, 563 and 214. Okay, now I will remove this one. Now I'm going to execute See, the record got created. Okay, with the values that we are passing from this input JSON. Okay, we got the record ID now, right? I will change the stage name into qualification, qualification, and I will change the date into the 30 date of 8th month, version to opportunity. I will name this as a version to opportunity. The external ID will be the same, and here the ID field. Sorry, I'm going to show you. Okay, here the external ID is there, right? Now we will perform the update DML operation. It won't work. Okay, it won't work. It is going to work only with the update operation will only work with the ID field. Okay, now I will add the ID field. This is my record ID, opportunity record ID. Okay, now, okay, now I will uncheck this checkbox. I'm going to uncheck this. So what I will do, I will replace this section ID with the ID field, and here also I replace this section ID with ID field. Now the field mapping is done for the ID field. Here uh, for an extra, I will do the field mapping for the external ID. Now I will execute uh, the load data mapper. See, it got the record got updated. If I do refresh, or else, if I do refresh, the opportunity name will be changed to the version to opportunity. See, the record got updated, the name value got updated to version to opportunity, and the stage name also got updated to qualification, close date, uh, close date. Yeah, close date is also got updated, right? Now, we have seen this two scenarios, right? To perform update YAML operation using the record ID with the opportunity ID we have did, and the perform insert YAML operation using the external ID. The both the scenarios are covered. Now, to perform an update YAML operation using the ID and external ID, you have to select these checkboxes. Okay. Now, I will remove this field mapping for the external ID field, and here the already the checkbox got uh, selected, right? And I will select this checkbox for upset key, and I will do the field mapping here for the external ID. Okay, we'll change this name as a version 3. We'll move this to 24. I will change the status to closer, qualification to closer value, and this input ID also. If it is there also, there is no problem with that. Yeah, I will show you the field mapping once again. Here I have selected the two checkboxes, upset key and is required for upset. If you select the is required for upset, external ID value needs to be there. The external ID value is there, and to update the record, okay, to update the record, opportunity record, you have to select the upset key option. Okay, then only the record will be updated with the external ID field. Okay, so the record got updated to updated. If I refresh this page, you will see the name, the stage name, and the close date values are changed. Okay, and the previously I have showed you the upset key, how to use the upset key function in using uh, in load data mapper, right? I will delete this checkbox. Sorry, I will delete this field mapping. Click on the space icon, uh, select the external ID, and here also select the external ID. So here I will select only upset key option checkbox. Okay, I haven't selected is required for upset here. Okay, what will happen? First time I will pass the value. Okay, first time I will pass the value as the external ID because the value is already present. Okay, a opportunity record is having this value in the external field. Okay, but I will change the values. Okay, in this time the record will be updated. Okay, now I am going to execute this data mapper. Now I will do refresh for the same opportunity record. You will see the changes. See, the stage name got changed to the prospecting, close date is also changed, and the opportunity record name is also changed, right? Now, now I will remove this external ID. I will simply pass the empty value to this external ID. Now, if I execute this load data mapper, it is going to create a new opportunity record, and this will not have any external ID value. Okay. Using this upset key checkbox, you can insert and update the record. Okay, you can insert and update the record based on a certain field. Okay, if you select the only is required for upset checkbox means it is going to means update and insert. Sorry, it is update insert operation will be performed on the external ID, and the record updation will be performed on the record ID field. Okay, I hope you got you found this tutorial helpful. For more videos on this Omnistudio, please do subscribe and like my videos, and please share these videos to your colleagues uh, who are learning Omnistudio and people who wants to learn Omnistudio. Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Thank you, everyone. Keep learning.